saw two people just.
Candy's got a nice MP3 recorder.
Yep.
I mean,
technology is sure great.
Yeah.
Especially when you can afford it.
Okay.
Well, how much is that kind of stuff?
I got the rice cooking. Okay,
no. We're gonna play this other song
okay,
first.
let's do it.
What are we gonna play?
We're gonna do this song and record it once.
Were you gonna go through the whole thing and go to the C Dale?
Okay, let me stop this a minute.
Okay.
Okay.
Are you guys doing?
It's rolling.
Oh.
Are we what?
What's that?
No. If it's rolling, let's play.
Okay.
My father was a farmer, but his head was in the sky. He worked every day but Sunday till the day he died. He prayed for rain and thunder, listened for the sound. In the dry years he went under, he never got off the ground. We all dream when we're younger, we will do great things. Me, I used to have a hunger to wear a pilot's wings. But the circles that I ran in, they turned my head around. And the planes I had my plans in never got off the ground. Don't raise your hopes, heard so many say. Higher they get, the closer they are. So many say, higher they get, the closer they are, flying away. They say that but the fortune is the way it should have been. If we could take a bigger portion, try our hands again. You see them on the sidewalks, in the parks all over town. Those who've taken flight never got off the ground.
It's rolling.
It's a real song. It's like, how can I miss you if you won't go away?
Oh, start again.
Okay, here we go. Here we go.
We're recording.
Oh.
Wait, start clean. Shh, start clean, please.
1, 2.
I got a rice cooking in the microwave. I got a 3-day bid I don't plan to shave. It's a goofy thing, but I just gotta say that I'm doing alright. I think I'll make me some homemade soup. I'm feeling pretty good, and that's the truth. It's neither drink nor drug induced, no. I guess I'm doing alright. And it's a great day to be alive. You know the sun's still shining when I close my eyes. There's hard times in the neighborhood, but why can't every day be just this good? It's been 15 years since I left home. I said goodbye to every seed I'd sown. It's been best, and then I left it alone. I hope you're doing alright. I said, red bird, what do you see? Says, I see a lone wolf looking at me. Head in the clouds, but harmless as a tree. I hope he's doing alright. And it's a great day to be alive. You know the sun's still shining when I close my eyes. There's hard times in the neighborhood, but why can't every day be just this good? Sometimes it's lonely, sometimes it's only me and the shadows that fill this room. Sometimes I'm calling, desperately calling. You guys can join me on this Tropic in the Moon. Go through is neither black nor white nor even shades of blue. Maybe a Rome Fu Manchu. Yeah, well it's a great day to be alive. You know the sun's still shining when I close my eyes. There's hard times in the neighborhood. Why can every day be just this good? It's a great day to be alive. You know the sun's still shining when I close my eyes. There's a hard times in the neighborhood, but why can't every day be just this good? Yeah, I guess I'm doing all right. The instrumental sometimes feels like that's one extra time, too many times through.
At the end?
Does that feel too extended?
Okay, here we go. Now let's get a little more boisterous in this beginning here, and everybody should join in early.
got a rice cooking on the microwave. Got a 3-day beard, I don't need a shave. It's a goofy thing, but I just gotta say. Why do I keep missing it? Nope. Do it again.
Okay. Is that a little too fast?
Play. Okay, hopefully this time.
Record or play? You guys have a clean start. This is not a clean start.
One.
Oh. I got a rice cooking in the microwave. I got a 3-day beard, I don't plan to shave. It's a goofy thing, but I just gotta say that I'm doing alright. I think I'll make me some homemade soup. I'm feeling pretty good, and that's the truth. It's neither drink nor drug induced, no, I'm just doing alright. And it's a great day to be alive. You know the sun's still shining when I close my eyes. There's hard times in the neighborhood, but why can't every day be just this good? It's been 15 years since I left home. I said goodbye to every seed I'd sown. Gave it my best and then I left it alone. I hope you're doing alright. I said, blackbird, redbird, what do you see? He says, I see a lone wolf looking at me. Head in the clouds but harmless as a tree. I guess he's doing alright. And it's a great day to be alive. You know the sun's still shining when I close my eyes. There's hard times in the neighborhood. Why can't every day be just this good? Sometimes it's lonely, sometimes it's only me and the shadows that fill this room. Sometimes I'm falling, desperately calling, howling at the moon. Well, it's a colorful life that we go through. It's neither black nor white nor even shades of blue. Maybe you'll grow me a Fu Manchu. Yeah, well, it's a great day to be alive. You know the sun's still shining when I close my eyes. There's hard times in the neighborhood, but why can every day be just this good? There's hard time to be alive. You know the sun's still shining when I close my eyes. There's hard times in the neighborhood, but why can every day be just this good? Yeah, I guess I'm doing all right.
Well, all right, man.
Well, here's
recording.
Nice, Paul.
okay. It's rolling. Okay, start the song.
Say that again, Larry.
Two,
George Carlin?
three,
Oh.
4.
Shit. Now that I'm trying to do it with two hands, I can't do it.
Just play the way you used to.
3, 4.
I can't find a reason to let go, even though you found a new love, and she's what your dreams are made of. And I can't find a reason to hang on, but when wrong can be forgiven, without you it ain't worth living alone. Sometimes I wake up crying at night, and sometimes I scream out your name. What right does she have to take your heart away when for so long you were mine? I can't find the pictures of our wedding day. It was a time of love and laughter, happy ever after. And even those old pictures have begun to fade. Please tell me she's not real, that you're really coming home to stay. Sometimes I wake up crying at night, and sometimes I scream out your name. What right does she have to take your heart away when for so long you were mine? I can give you 2 good reasons to show you love is no lie. She's 2 and she's 4, and you know they adore you. So how can I tell them you've changed your mind? Sometimes I wake up crying at night, and sometimes I scream out your name. What right does she have to take your heart away when for so long you were mine? I remember when you were mine. Bathroom break.
Okay, bathroom break.
I like your bass.
Can't
It's
behave.
rolling. We can't.
They're total ADD.
Okay.
Come on, let's go.
It's recording, incidentally.
Oh, good.
All right, ducks in a pond.
Dead babies, dead babies, dead babies. But it's not supposed to make you laugh.
You forget what I do for a living. That's
It's rolling.
good. It's for posterity. Don't look at me that way, Larry. Its taste was sweet, like summer wine. Hearts that beat double time. I'm going to start over. If it's wet and it's not yours, stay away
And
from
it's
it.
not yours.
Don't pet the sweaty things.
It's wet and it's not yours.
Stay away from it. Its taste was sweet, like
We ignore the heaters too?
We can turn it off or we can leave it on.
Yeah,
Is it running?
Yes.
it's running.
Its taste was sweet, like summer wine. Hearts that beat in double time. He waltzed right in. He bowled you over. You're still reeling from the feeling that is gone. The door is closed, the lock is turned, and all those memories and old letters have been burned. When you pick the handsome flower, don't forget the thorn upon the rose. Its cut is deep and its scar lasts forever. It follows love wherever it goes. Just how we fall, it's hard to know. What we feel, we seldom show. So we show the parts we feel our best, and we squirm around the edges, trying to cover up the rest. You think you know him, he thinks the same, when underneath it all, it's just a crazy guessing game. So when you pick the handsome flower, don't forget the thorn upon the rose. Its cut is deep and its scar lasts forever. It follows love wherever it goes. win or lose. It's just the same. Tears of joy, tears of pain, they're hand in hand. They come as one. You never see the moon without the promise of the sun. All its bruises and all its blows, I'd rather feel the thorn than to never see the rose. So when you pick the handsome flower, don't forget the thorn upon the rose. Its cut is deep and its scar lasts forever. It follows love wherever it goes. It follows love wherever love
They killed Bambi. Okay, next. You want to do that in the chorus?
Can we slow it down just a hair?
No.
Okay.
No, I don't want it to drag.
Oh, no, I don't mean that. But
You
I
can
mean
stomp
that-
your feet
I
during
mean
it too.
just,
It's rolling.
I like it.
I come from the mud and the wind and the wet, from as far as the west as a man can get. And I worked those waters for all my years, and I caught my share of triumph and tears. And the ocean's the source of my hopes and fears. Kept an eye on the jigger pool, hand on the gaff, and a smiley on the line always brought a laugh. She's the prize of the coast, biggest of the springs. We would carry her home past Edward King. Unload her at the pumpers and the money would bring. I'm Banfield's John Vanden. And you might slip and stumble on the rocks on the shore and exult in the blast of the mighty wake's roar. But when you stand humbled at the ocean's door, then you'll understand just who I am, Banfield's Johnny Vanden. There where there is a mast that the devil dons, a disguise for the tempest that's coming on. But looking toward the west I can always tell by the tint of the sky and the strength of the swell, who's winning today, is it heaven or hell? And when unseen harms through thunder and gale, we risked our souls on the telegraph trail. When the listing wrecks needed us the most, we slipped past death on the graveyard coast. But the ocean remembers, so we never did boast. I'm Banfield's John Vanden. And you might slip and stumble on the rocks on the shore and exult in the blast of the mighty wake's roar. But when you stand humbled by the ocean's door, then you'll understand just who I am, Banfield's Johnny Vanden. I rolled and trolled and my hands were worn in God's vindictive southeast storms. Heard the hull of the ship as it ripped and groaned, but there is one thrill I've never known. It's the love of a woman I can call my own. So your questions of romance don't ask me. I'm the man who wed the Pacific Sea. Tempestuous though she may have been, I'm more faithful to you've never seen. She's kept me wise and fit and lean. I'm Banfield's John Vanden. And you might slip and stumble on the rocks on the shore and exult in the blast of the mighty wake's roar. But when you stand humbled by the ocean's door, then you'll understand just who I am. Danfield's Johnny Van Den, Danfield's John Van Den.
I like that retard at the end.
Excuse me.
Was that a little too fast? Huh? Here we go.
One last time.
Hey, come on, mate. Polly, mate.
Sit down, Paul.
Okay.
Sit down and make
Get
us
closer
Sit
to
down,
that
Paul.
mic.
Get close to the mic. Come on.
Need that rumbling low line.
After this, you can go.
Okay.
I come from the mud and the wind and the wet, from as far to the west as a man can get. And I worked those waters for all my years, and I caught my share of triumph and tears. And the ocean's the source of my hopes and fears. Kept an eye on the jigger pool, hand on the gaff, and a smiley on the line always brought a laugh. She's the prize of the coast, biggest of the spring. She would carry her home past Edward King. I'd load her at the Packers and the money would ring. I'm Banfield's John Van Den. And you might slip and stumble on the rocks on the shore and exult in the blast of the mighty wake's roar. But when you stand humbled by the ocean's door, then you'll understand just who I am. Banfield's Johnny Van Den. There where there is a mast that the devil dons, a disguise for the tempest that's coming on. That looking toward the west I can always tell by the tint of the sky and the strength of the swell. Who's winning today? Is it heaven or hell? And when unseen's harm through thunder and gale, we risked our souls on the telegraph trail. When the listing wrecks needed us the most, we slipped past death on the graveyard coast. But the ocean remembers, so we never did boast. I'm Banfield's John Van Den. And you might slip and stumble on the rocks on the shore and exult in the blast of the mighty wake's roar. But when you stand humbled by the ocean's door, then you'll understand just who I am. Banfield's Johnny Van Den. I rolled and trolled and my hands were worn in God's vindictive southeast storms. Heard the hull of the ship as it ripped and groaned, but there is one thrill I've never known. It's the love of a woman I can call my own. So your questions of romance don't ask me. I'm the man who wed the Pacific Sea. Tempestuous though she may have been, I'm more faithful to you've never seen. She's kept me wise and fit and lean. I'm Banfield's John Van Den. And you might slip and stumble on the rocks on the shore and exult in the blast of the mighty wake's roar. But when you stand humbled by the ocean's door, then you'll understand just who I am. Banfield's Johnny Van Den. Banfield's John Van Den. Very good. It's over for...
Because we were meant to sing together.
That's right. That's right.
We are meant to sing together.
We are all meant to be together.
Really?
Kumbaya,
Yeah, my Lord.
Kumbaya. It's the song bell.
That's the dinner bell. Kumbaya.
That's the dinner bell. We gotta go. Mom doesn't like to wait. My mom would be mad if we sang this. Okay. What do we do here?
Electric shock. I mean, we don't want him to do that.
He ain't got no feelings.
Fillings. My teeth are full of fillings.
Okay, here goes.
Okay. Yeah. For a take.
Looks like the sun no longer shines. I've been for dark and stormy weather. I put my waders on, built an ark and made this song. Looks like my baby's come and gone. Now that I've said my last goodbye, gave all your vinyl to my brother, never did like man alone. Michael Bolton had to go. I kept old Elton, don't you know? Looks like my baby's come and gone. Looks like my baby's come and gone. They say it's darkest before dawn. I see the daylight coming home. Looks like my baby's coming. Looks like my baby's coming. Looks like my baby's coming home.
Okay, let's do it.
2, 3, 4. On a sleepy endless ocean, when the world lay in a dream. What?
Yeah, it was.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, fine. I won't do that.
2, 3,
2, 3, 4. 1, 2,
I agree.
4. On a sleepy endless ocean, when the world lay in a dream, there was rhythm in the splash and roll, without a voice to sing. So the moon shone on the breakers, and the morning warmed the waves, till a single sail did jump and hum for joy, as if to say, this is my home, this is my only home, this is the only sacred ground that I have ever known. on some virgin beach had one lonesome critter crawl, and he looked about and shouted out in his most astonished drawl, "This is my home, this is my only home, this is the only sacred ground that I have ever known. And should I stray in the dark, not alone, rock me, goddess, in the gentle arms of Eden." Then the sky was all a-buzzing, and the ground was carpet green, and the weary children of the wood went dancing in between. And the people sang rejoicing, till the field was glad with grain, this song of celebration from their cities on the plain. "This is my home, this is my only home, this is the only sacred ground that I have ever known. And should I stray in the dark, not alone, rock me, goddess, in the gentle arms of Eden." Now there's smoke across the harbor, and there's factories on the shore, and the world is ill with greed and will and the enterprise of war. But I will lay my burden on the cradle of your grace, and the shining beaches of your love, and the sea of your embrace. This is my